Today we are talking about LeadRocks, a tool that helps you to find verified lead in seconds. If you run a business, agency, or offer services online, then getting accurate lead is one of the most important tasks. LeadRock makes it simple to discover new potential clients without spending hours by searching manually. And with the lifetime deal on AppSumo, you get the full access to this tool without paying monthly fees. So welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to find the best tools and deals that save you time and money. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the description for the discounted offer link. You don't need any code because the discount will be applied automatically when you use our link from the description. Now let's talk about the LeadRock more and why it is useful. Normally, finding verified leads takes a lot of time. You have to check the websites, social media, and the directories, and still you might not get the accurate contact information. But LeadRocks solves this problem by giving you a simple platform where you can search for leads quickly. You just enter a company name, you just enter the location, industry, and LeadRocks will find the lead for you. Basically, it finds the verified emails, phone number, and other contact details instantly. Another strong feature is the quality of leads. LeadRocks checks and verifies the information before showing it to you. This reduces the chance of the wasting time on invalid emails or phone number. If you run the sales company, outreach emails, and marketing promotions, verified leads that are most important thing. And this tool makes the process easier. The platform is beginner friendly, you don't need any technical skill or experience, the dashboard is super clean and all features are easy to understand. You can filter all of your leads based on your location, industry, company, and all of these things. This helps you to target the right audience and improve your chances of success. LeadRock allows you to export the leads in a structured format. This is useful if you want to use them in email marketing, CRM tools, or a sales campaign. You can manage your leads easily and follow up with potential clients without losing the track. Now let's talk about the lifetime deal. Normally, lead generation tools charge monthly and cost can grow when you need more leads. But with the lifetime deal on AppSumo, you pay once and you get the unlimited access based on the plan. This makes it very affordable for long term and especially if you regularly need new leads. So if you want a simple, fast, and reliable way to find verified leads and grow your business, LeadRocks is a strong choice. It saves time, reduces your errors, and helps you to focus on outreach and closing deals. If you want to grab the lifetime deal, check the link from the description. When you use the link from the description, the discount is applied automatically, so no code is needed. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, then make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.